Mugo tell baby China say and Grumsha no na wunya na me akasa na manya kokodro mama na me se wo be wi ewie ebemu a wo yodi for amemu a we furu na ade na edifo anke we ase fe o enkwasiafo edifo enkwa honorable park edifo enkwasiafo me ne ngrofo we gra na be talking na me dru me kru mu dada.
Nothing has changed, and by the 9th of December we shall know the men from the boys, the prophets from the people. I stand to reaffirm here, Dr. Bawumia will win the election. My son, the General Secretary, came and said, Papa, are you sure of what you are saying? You want to tell them what the banter you had with me? He said, Papa, I've seen you do some crazy things, but this one is too crazy.
As a way by power, as a attorney. Nyame onkekense wunu munya isa munse wunu no amode te Ghana ha no 2019 me ma mo won ba mante na ma start jimi no na mu jimi all over the place yani ngwasi amode ya bremu vice president in wawi musu mu jina na mo kekense wunu no a wawi no kura wa ji atum se wawe na mumu jina kekense wo dia Lord. Listen, I have few people God spoke. What is my begina ha ka say asumasi nyame ka chem so be win what be that oni pa no nyame se men kan kire no no na me ka kire no ye wi. There are few people the Lord told me they will win. I called them and I said, Mira, you will win. Mama, you will win. The Lord told me this. And your election come. God gave me a word to people like 1 year, 2 years before the time. What is my Bijina has me the boosty and come share you masao. Yameno wakasano and winyamne your non kwane. Yen kamwasa. Don't come and boast. Me na me cast away be away and away. No. No, that's not God. That is not God. Yeah. It's a privilege for you to even speak in the name of the Lord. I'm seriously telling you something. Say a good amen. Or therefore you na a tree a bad yamamu. Ugo kromotie ba ko ye de kwa ka kire wo bi se mema 90% or therefore na grofoti my own de ye shira kose ye shira yeah. I learned many years ago as a pastor krofo kamfu amane nkotiri itimi o kamfu me amenwene ho sanso na di batemu amente iti ya nangrofa onu Kofi Oduro no abua kwase zongo mu hana minyi me de dan duru wan esua kasa iti abua de mente abua uti asia san ye kamfo a emane nko wutirim. Look at the way because of the love of money and the greed of money. People who have worked in the work of God for years because of contracts have gone into perversion. Adiye nyame nkae no omoka. Nyame yewu abegu animu ase o. Nyame nkae o se nyame say. God says. How much did they give you? How much? How much? Political appointments? No. I will stand here and tell you, political appointment, there is nothing temporary like political appointment. My pastor standing here has been a DCE, a district chief executive before, during the tenure of His Excellency, John Ajekum Kufo. Now he is not a DC. Be very careful. Humble yourself. Humble yourself. Never use today to make a decision because of something or position you have now. Because in Ipanu are yet to they fall into the soil and not all of them will die off. Some of them will bounce back very strong. And when they bounce back very strong, you may be outdated and out of season. And then will be a Kofi, Oduro and all that. The day will come, you will be relegated. They may come back bigger and better. Be careful the way you treat people. MPs of repute, they talk on authority. Somebody said before election, I can change the numbers on the ballot sheet. You see, that is how power can corrupt people. You have forgot you are a human being. You are just a human being. You know, as I'm standing here, I tell people all the time, I am not God. I am not God. Don't put your trust in me like some exuding personality. Is Kofi Oduro preaching today? If it is not, no. I am not God. Just a human being. On to the foolish prophet. Take it in my language. Enkewe ase ia fe o enkwasiafua edifo enkwa honorable park edifo enkwasiafo bebre wagana. They told this government that they will win. They even said that they will prove to the nation that there are boys from men. Now, the Bible said, that prophet should not be feared. That word feared should not be regarded, should not be respected, should not be honored, should not. That prophet spoke out of flesh. Hunam dia benye dia untimi mansamo kwasi ankomshane kwasi adifone kwasi adiyene kwasi adwumanwa mode tigana han pia asi adwene wawo ba bi amode o makoduru Muntimin shankom, yempenifu jamai, yempenifu krono, yempenifu nsewunu. You can't tell that. Yendu hane ye shankom, yamebe yo kasia. You will be the because they are giving you dollars. Abro suwa match na mwediyewi. I'm going to sit down and reflect. I will not be talking now. But now me drew me crew mudata. I will be in my hometown reflecting what went wrong. You can't be wasting it. And you see, when we have opportunity and all stuff like that, people call, you avoid calls, you will be friend or carton, ultimate block and all that. Sweetie, it doesn't take long for the tables to turn. I'm telling you. It doesn't. And January masses. So when you disrespect people, step down on people, and all that kind of thing because you have something now. Minimobi ujinane naso. 10 minutes to go and know to reach him. It is only the fool who will not reflect. And like I said, if you have an entrenched position, and this is why I tell you, put your party at the gate. When you are coming forward, party in the twabontin in a better in it in your go one way, you see a preach it to your party. You preach it to your party. If somebody have told Nkrumah that a day will come, your party will not even have one seat in parliament, he will never believe. A day is coming. Your party will not even have one seat. After being in government as a one-party state with dominance, he will never believe, but they see. We don't even have one seat for CPP in parliament. One. And so when I used to scream from 2016 and I used to tell NPP and NDC, I said, you better be careful because very soon, a Debbie Beba mo party in crying modi. It will shock you what I'm saying, but time evolves. Time evolves. Now I see hypocrites. Mugo tebe bi echi na se engomshe no na wunya nyame akasa na manya kukodro mama nyame se ube wi ewie ebemu a we odifo amemu a wafuru na adenam eye adwuma nhyehyeye obi ono ade ya no mehu asa we ba power asa atene nyame onkekense wunu Munya isa munse hunu no amode te Ghana ha no 2019 me ma mo won ba mante na ma start jimmy no na mu jimmy all over the place. Heading gwasi amode ya bremu. Vice President in Wari.
The Lord told me it's the final verdict of the election. Nothing has changed. And by the 9th of December, we shall know the men from the boys, the prophets from the people.